Hello everyone, my name is Ravin Kumar Tiwari and I am going to talk about ESG concept. What it meant to be an ESG. ESG refers to economical, social and governance concept. It refers to three central factors used to measure the sustainability and societal method of a company. As the company operation beyond just financial performance, focusing on its operational value, environmental responsibility and social impact and governance practices. In this, a single individual has to think about their investment on a company itself, as all the people around the globe does not directly invest in a company by seeing in its profitability or something else. Okay, now the investor also see the ESG, the what ESG is doing or what not it is doing. Now over to Jatin.
Hello everyone, my name is Jatin and now I am going to present my views on the topic advantages of ESG. First, enhanced risk management. Companies that adhere to ESG principles tend to be better at identifying and mitigating risk, including regulatory changes, environmental impacts and social trends. Second, improved financial performance. Studies have shown that companies with strong ESG performance often outperform their counterparties. Investors are increasing direct capital towards business that prioritize ESG. Third, attracting investors. ESG-friendly business are appealing to institutional investors, including pension funds and asset managers, who are now integrating ESG factors into their investment decisions. Fourth, brand loyalty and consumer talent. Today's consumers are more socially and environmentally conscious. Companies that implement ESG practice can build more stronger brand loyalty, attract new customers and retain a dedicated audience. Fifth, regulatory compliance and competitive advantage. As government and regulatory bodies increasing push for stronger environment and social regulations, companies that implement ESG standard early will be ahead of the curve, avoiding potential fines and penalties. And now, hand over to Munish.
Hello, my name is Munish. I am going to discuss about impacts of ESG on our global impact. If we didn't focus on environmental, social and governance consideration, the potential impact could be far-reaching and severe. First, environmental impact. Climate change. If there will be huge climate change as green gas emissions leading to more frequent natural disasters, rise sea levels and devastating weather events. There will be biodiversity loss. There will be water scarcity as fresh water will be not available. There will be huge pollution in air, water and soil pollution. Now we will discuss about social impact. Social impact, human right abuses, as there will be exploitation of so many workers working in company. There will be health crisis, as if they work so much in the company, so they will face health issues. There will be social unrest as increased conflict, migration and social instability. Now I will discuss about government impacts, governance impacts, corruption and bribery, as there will be so much corruption and bribery, chances will increase. There will be lack of transparency and accountability, as decreased corporate accountability, hiding environment and social harm. Ineffective regulations, weak or poorly enforced regulations allowing environmental and social degradation, instability and conflict.
We are concluding our topic on ESG, that is environmental, governance and social factors are increasingly important for the businesses, investors and consumers alike. They integrating their principles in the operation of businesses to enhance risk management, improve financial positions, build brand loyalty and contributing to the regularity of customers.